Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I actually didn't upload it in like weeks, I guess 1 or 2 weeks. I haven't uploaded and I am really sad about that. It is just because of my school and all that stuff. So I am gonna make this channel a channel where you can get sneak peeks. I don't get actually sneak peeks from Supercell, I just get it from other YouTubers. So this video I have taken by Kairos. Kairos is a very good YouTuber. It has over 500,000 subscribers. I will share the link in the description of his channel and his video from where I took ideas. And so let's talk about that. This week we are getting Bose's second gadget, which is very awesome. Actually it's good, but I personally didn't like it. So his next new gadget will be that he can blow up his mines, super aka super boom, like without any enemies stepping on it. So it has an advantage that some enemies, what they do is go to their super and get back. So this makes it like undestroy. This makes them no harm. This makes the enemy no harm. But so when you use your super, it just destroys. But the disadvantage here is that you can only blow one mine at the enemies. So there is also one advantage, which is that you can actually blow up walls quickly without any enemy needing to step on it. So this is good, but I personally feel like the second gadget makes the first gadget, like second gadget and first gadget are totally opposite. First gadget, what they do is that it recharges the Bose super. And what does the first gadget do is destroy Bose super. What makes Bose cool is his super, which is blowing up mines. Like mines, you place down the mines and it just blows, boom, which is actually cool. Like it's cool. So, and you are doing what? Just blowing them without telling. So you are just wasting. So I don't actually love Bose super. It's good, but I don't loved it. So actually I was kind of disappointed. But and so actually this video will be very very short, like 4 minutes video is so less. So but I won't make it like very non-interesting. I'm just gonna share some of my ideas which I really want in this game. So there is a channel named Snoopy. He uploads Brawl Stars concepts which are very good, and I really want them to be uploaded on the uploaded on the game. Well, actually it's not a word, uploaded on the game, but yeah, it's still good. So I really want it to be on the game. So one thing which I loved is that when you end the Brawl Pass, it doesn't just give you big box. There is a spinner that can give you random things, even gems. That's actually good. And there is one idea which is made by me, and I'll actually want that in Brawl Stars, which is map specific quest, but it gives 3 times more rewards than normal. Like, but it will be actually like you have to defeat 12 enemies on Cavern Church, for example, and it will give you 500. Well, it's not 3 times, it's 5 times, but according to quest it's 3 times. Like 100, second level 250, and third level 500. But it will be always of 100 type quest, cause like if you give 500 and player will be like whole day and you will just give 1500, which is too OP. Too OP. I really need that, cause it will be like make people actually wait for some maps, because some maps, and specifically people will play the maps which they don't even like, because some maps are like useless. I'm just say my some of maps I like, I dislike are, I think they are just useless, but it will make people wait for that map, and it's good actually, and it's good. So yeah, and I had some more thoughts. I actually recorded the video, but I lost the clip, so I'm really sad. I'm really sad about that. I recorded 7 minutes of the video. And guys, if you want a face reveal of my face, of course, of my face, so you make sure you have to subscribe to my channel, because only I will do a face reveal when I have a camera, and when I will have a camera, when I will have a camera when I will have money. And how will I get money? When you guys subscribe. So if you guys don't subscribe, I won't do face reveal. Simple as that. Simple as that. But you have to like subscribe too much, cause I actually promised in one video that the first thing I will do from my money is that I will do a box opening of my Brawl Pass, which is true actually. So please guys subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share it to others. Bye.